Greetings brothers and sisters, my name is Ekong and today's video is about spinach acid. When we're talking about spinach, think about this very carefully. When you go into a supermarket, right, and you pick up a bag and the bag says spinach, the first question that needs to come into your mind is, what spinach is this? Or what vegetable is this? Because it must have a name. Everything that is green has a name. So it could be a bag of watercress, it could be a bag of rocket, it could be a bag of callaloo, it could be a bag of parsley, it could be a bag of chipiling, it could be a bag of anamu, it could be a bag of anything. Just like if I picked up a bag and it said fruits, I'm gonna wanna know what fruits is this. So when someone says, I eat spinach, what spinach is it? Or what green is it? Are you trying to say that spinach is a particular brand of leaf? Where did it come from? What is it? What does spinach look like? If I was to say, would you like some fruits? You're gonna say yes. And you might also say, which fruits is it? And if I said to you, would you like some spinach? You might say yes. And then the next question should be, what spinach is it? So when you go to a shop and you pick up a bag that says spinach, what spinach is it? And if they can't tell you the name of that spinach, then you're dealing with a hybrid product, or you're dealing with a GMO product, or you're dealing with a product that you don't know. And if you don't know, don't take it. If Mother Nature didn't make it, please don't take it. It's as simple as that. So when you're out there buying spinach, remember to ask yourself, or whoever's selling it, what spinach is this? If they can't give you a name, then you're dealing with an unknown product. So that is the reason why we say spinach is acid. And we know Popeye. Popeye always used to squeeze a can of spinach and eat it and become big and strong. Yeah, that's fine, I don't mind. But what spinach was Popeye eating? That is the question.
Spinach, acid. Why compare Moringa with spinach when spinach has a starch base? It has no iron.
I hope this video was helpful, brothers and sisters. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Love.
Please subscribe to our monthly subscription page, where you will have exclusive access to never seen before recipe videos, past and present workshops, podcasts, and much more. Content will be uploaded to the members only page every 2 weeks, accessible only to those who have subscribed to the People's Package. Subscribe and become a member today at 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel called ETL NTD. Love.